Hello everyone, once again, and welcome back to another AFI $1,000 giveaway. Today we have a special game here before us. Each contestant is going to have 2 minutes to try to find an item here in the AFI Project Lab. The item in which they will be looking for will need to be of a certain weight, and that weight is as close to 302 grams as possible. They will each bring their item to me, show it off, and place it upon our scale. And whoever's item weighs the closest to 302 grams wins, and will win one of you $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store. Without any further ado, let the games begin. These are our contestants for today's giveaway. You will have 2 minutes to find your object that weighs 302 grams. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, our contestants have all found their objects. Branton, what have you found for us today?
Found a AFI fragrance called Apple Champagne Wood.
All right, let's see how many grams your object is. It would appear as though it is 43.9 grams. Not exactly close, but not the worst either. We'll have to see if anyone can possibly beat that weight. Up next, we have Nick. Nick, what have you found for us?
Autumn Harvest.
Autumn Harvest, I see. All right, well.
Can I put it on the scale?
Yeah, let's put it on there and see how good you did.
Man, but how do I make sure it's all on there?
And yours is 33.5 grams.
Very light.
Very light. No, despite how big it is, it's actually quite light.
Dang it.
It was a valiant effort.
It looks cool.
Up next, we have Izzy. Izzy, what have you found for us?
I found a raw material bottle of linalool, which, if you didn't know, is one of the aromatic compounds in lavender and something we use here to make fragrances at AFI.
Okay, cool. Well, put it on the scale. Let's see how close you got. Ooh, 199.4. That is well ahead of everyone else so far. You are so far the closest, but there's plenty of room to possibly win. So, our final contestant, let's see. Maddie, what have you found for us today?
I found a Josh mascot.
You
I feel
have
like
found-
it's so fitting, and I feel like he has some weight to it, so we could see. We'll see.
We have little Josh. All right, little cartoon Josh. Let's see how much he weighs. For the win, 182.2. Extremely
terrible.
close to Izzy's. So
Not
close.
terrible.
But not quite close enough. But you know
Still
what?
thumbs up.
Valiant effort from you, Josh.
Woo. Boom.
And with that, it looks like we have a victor of our challenge. Izzy, congratulations. Great work. You've been doing quite well recently. You have found the closest object to the weight we needed. How does it feel?
It feels great. Just always good to keep in mind to measure by weight and not in volume when it comes to your formulas.
And because you've won, you have won your entrant, Alyssa from Texas, $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store.
Well, just make sure if you pick up some fragrance, make sure you get a little bit more than 302 grams. You're gonna want a lot of it so you can stay crafting all season long.
Exactly, exactly. So congratulations, and we hope you enjoy the fragrance. And with that, this giveaway is complete. Thank you all so very much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of those good things. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys later. Goodbye.